Nino about any of his favorite subjects and his replies will amaze you for sure. Ask about the electronic devices in pilot's cabin and he will tell you about the airspeed indicator and the altimeter. His favorite subjects are not only airplanes but also elevators, vehicles, computers and Indian trains. Writer Abhi Surti says that if we ask him about his favorite subjects, his replies will amaze us. Amaze means surprise. And why we would be amazed? According to writer, he knew many things about the electronic devices. In the pilot's cabin, he will say about airspeed indicator and altimeter. Well, airspeed indicator shows speed and altimeter is an instrument which measures the height of an aircraft above sea level. Having knowledge about these devices to a 6-year child is really amazing. His favorite subjects were airplanes, elevators, vehicles, computers and Indian trains. Elevator means a control surface of an aircraft responsible for controlling the pitching motion of the machine. So isn't it the surprise to have favorite subjects like these and keep knowledge about it? During the previous winter vacation, when the family was traveling to Delhi, he insisted on going by the Rajdhani Express. When we got to the station, the train had already arrived at the platform. The motorman was chatting near the engine with the guard of the train. Nino wanted to peep inside the motorman's cabin. We kept our luggage under our seat and I took him there. So once when they were traveling to Delhi during the winter vacation, Nino insisted his family to prefer Rajdhani Express. Insist means to demand or to force. So he forced them to travel by Rajdhani Express and when they reached there, the train was already arrived at the platform. The motorman who runs the train was chatting with the guard of the train. After keeping their luggages under their seats, knowing Nino's curiosity about train, writer took him towards motorman's cabin. Nino wanted to peep inside. Peep means to look quickly. Now let's see the next paragraph. Watching Nino keenly peeping into the interior, the motorman was impressed and took Nino inside for a closer look. Not only that, explained the working of the control. Then Nino asked him, "Is this Rajdhani engine VAP 5 or VAP 7? The motorman was amazed. However, he was shocked when Nino quizzed him which engine is used in Duranto. When the motorman saw Nino peeping inside, he was also impressed by his interest. And taking him inside, he explained the working of the controls. But he was completely taken aback when Nino asked him whether the Rajdhani engine was a VAP 5 or VAP 7. He was further shocked when Nino asked which engine was used in Duranto. Now what is Duranto? Duranto is a Indian Express, which is the fastest express, super fast express. Where here is a picture of the VAP and other types of engine. So you can see first VAP engine. In VAP, W stands for the engine works on the wide gauge track. Now you have seen the track of railway. So it is called wide gauge track. W stands for the engine which works on or run on the wide gauge track. A stands for AC, electric traction motive power. It means whatever engines we see nowadays, these are electric traction motive power based engine. So A stands for AC, electric traction motive power engine. P stands for engine to be used for passenger trains, means which carry passengers. Second image is of WAG. This is a WAG engine, WAG 9 you can see, and in this word W stands for the engine works on the wide gauge tracks. Same. A stands for AC electric traction motive power. Same. G stands for the engine is to be used for goods train. It means this engine is used only for the trains which carries goods. Now the third type of engine is WDM. Now W stands for the same. The engine works on the wide gauge tracks. D stands for diesel motive power. Now you can see in the picture the smoke. It means it is a diesel engine, diesel motive power based engine. And M stands for the engine can be used for multiple reasons like passengers, goods and switchers, etc. So this engine can be used for goods transportation, can be used to carry passengers or switchers. Now the fourth engine type is WDG. Now students, you will have to find out the full form as well as more information about this engine and write it down in your notebook. About all the four engines, you will have to write in your notebook. Let's move further. To be honest, I too gawked at him in surprise. What is the secret of Nino's curious mind? From where does he collect so many facts and figures? From books, of course. Encouraged by his parents, he has cultivated the habit of reading. Besides, Nino at his age is quite familiar with the internet. Google is his favorite source for all the queries that arises in his little mind. When we fail to answer him, he finds the answer via the search engine. But his real secret is inquiry. He will never accept any answer unless he is fully satisfied. Here writer honestly says that he took gawked at him fixedly. So writer stared at him in surprise when he asked such questions to the motorman. He was thinking what the secret was of Nino's curious mind and from where he collects so many data, so many facts and figures. According to writer, Nino gets all this knowledge from books by reading, and he had cultivated his reading habit by the encouragement of his parents. In this little age, he is well familiar with Google search engine. If he doesn't get satisfactory answer from all, he finds his answer from Google. But according to his grandfather, means our writer, the real secret of Nino's curious mind is inquiry, and he would never accept any answer until he was completely satisfied. What interested me was this: how to motivate little Nino to save water. It hadn't rained much lately. A water crisis not only in India but globally loomed large. Birds searching for water were dropping dead. Cows and other animals were waiting to die in the barren field. Villagers had begun migrating towards big cities for food and water. So what was the interesting thing for writer? Writer wanted to motivate little Nino to save water. Why? Because once there was a water crisis, not only in India but throughout the world. There wasn't enough rain. Water scarcity problem loomed largely. Now loom means appears as a threat. So this problem has threatened the whole world. Birds were searching water, which was dropping dead, and animals were waiting to die in barren field. Barren means non-fertile, non-cultivated land. And villagers started to migrate towards big city for food and water. Writer feels uneasy. He thought that he has to do more to create awareness about saving water. I felt that once Nino was convinced, he could inspire his school friends. I am aware that children need to carry forward this message because they are the future. I am also aware that the moment I open my mouth, I should be ready for the innocent and unpredictable questions that arise in the minds of today's children. I would have to be fully prepared. So here teacher wanted to convince Nino to save water because he knew he would inspire his friends to save water. DJ was aware that small children should be educated in this way and they can carry forward this message as they are the future of our country. On the other hand, DJ was also familiar with the innocent and unpredictable questions which comes to the children's mind, and he had to be ready and fully prepared for that unpredictable means unexpected questions. I decided to plan the probable questions that Nino would ask and prepare my answers. I felt butterflies in my stomach. At this super mature age, I felt like students who before going to his final examination tries to work out possible questions. So DJ decided to plan probable questions which Nino would ask him. Probable means possible. He planned some possible questions and prepared their answers too. DJ felt butterflies in his stomach. Butterflies in stomach is an idiom which means to feel nervous to do something. And what is meant by idiom? Idiom is a group of words whose meaning is different than the individual words in a group. Here butterflies is a plural form of butterfly which means a flying insect. Stomach is a body organ. All words of the group may have different meaning, but after forming a group of words, it has a special meaning. So this group of words is called idiom. So here DJ was nervous about talking to Nino regarding water conservation, and he felt himself like a student who prepares for the possible questions before going to final exam. As students have fear for the exam, he was also nervous for this conversation with Nino, but he was trying to be prepared for it. So students, we will stop here. Rest of the lesson we will see in the next video. Till then, thank you very much. Goodbye.